See, at the Big Bang, all there was hydrogen and helium pretty well. So all the other elements that we're made up of, oxygen, carbon, they got cooked up in stars. You could argue that we, as human beings, we're part of the universe. And now because of our intelligence that's evolved over billions of years, we are now on the point of making a major transition away from biology to this new step. You could argue that the cosmic process, maybe humanity is just a stepping stone. Human beings already, theorists, have done the math. They've got the modelling of how to build baby universes. So if that's possible in theory, with human brains doing the thinking, what could an intellect do? Could it actually build universes? Now, if it can do that, then by definition, it's a god, right? It's a creator. Can you sort of sense a kind of almost like a religious awe almost? We could build gods. I mean, all those cosmos arguments, you can't stop it. Humanity's destined to be curious and strive and climb the mountains and all that kind of thing. All those arguments. I see the major one being the religious one. I mean, I'm not traditionally religious, but I feel a need, if you see what I mean. So my something gut level is pushing it, and my head, my scientific knowledge is rejecting it. But the impulse is still there. So if you could invent something that would satisfy the impulse and satisfy the criteria from your intellect, from your knowledge, from your science and all that. So if you like a kind of scientifically based belief system that energizes, that creates a vision, that excites, the idea of God building. If you ask yourself, what question dominated 19th and 20th century global politics? The major question was, who should own capital? Who should own the factories? In 1962, the year of the Cuban Missile Crisis, humanity, we almost destroyed ourselves. We almost had a Third World War, a nuclear holocaust, over the issue of who should own capital. Now, that issue to me is relatively trivial in comparison to this question, because this time, with this major question of the 21st century, there's so much more at stake.